Take a ride in the 2026 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, LED headlights, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.